What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here to tell you a little bit of a story. So, I'm only doing this mainly because I had an interview with a good friend yesterday, and I never checked over it. So, as soon as I made my hour and 20-minute drive home, I realized that there was no audio in the interview. So, you're not getting an interview. What you are getting is a quick story and then some footage of this weekend. So, here's what happened. I drove to Palmyra, New York, which I said about an hour and 20 minutes away, to go see a longtime friend, Carter Houch, who is the owner of Shiftworks, which you can go to their Instagram, Shiftworks Shifters, their website, shiftworks.com, or even his Instagram, which is Carter of Shiftworks. Do me a favor, go follow them, go check out the website. They do some really, really awesome products. He loaded me with so much information that I don't want to screw any of it up. So the long short of it, to explain it, they create automotive shifters that allow you to keep the classic look in your classic hot rod, but allow you to have a modern transmission, which means they let you have the classic appearing look of an awesome shifter that allows you to have overdrive, which is huge. It's awesome. It makes hot rodding a lot better when you have overdrive. And he said he had a saying a while ago, keep your hot rod subtle, not stock. And that's exactly what they're doing. They've made subtle changes to these shifters that allow you to use an overdrive transmission, and they're awesome. The quality is insane. Everything that he had showed me is pretty much made right in Palmyra, New York area, so he keeps everything local. Everything that he can and has control over is made in the USA, and it's all assembled in the USA. So I'm a huge supporter of that. I'm a huge supporter of keeping everything in the United States and local. It's awesome. Killer product. Make sure you go check them out. Shiftworks.com. Shiftworks Shifters on Instagram, or Carter of Shiftworks on Instagram as well. I will do my best to link everything in the description. So if you want to go check them out, give them a follow. Go check out their website. If you have a hot rod you want overdrive in, but you want a classic looking shifter, go check out their website. Support them. It's an awesome company. I could not thank him enough for inviting me out. Well, I kind of invited myself out. He agreed. So I couldn't thank him enough for having me there and walking through his facility, which was just amazing to watch, mainly because it was very awesome to see someone that I grew up with doing something that I want to do. And I'm not talking about shifters. I know nothing about that. I'm going to keep that with him. I'm talking about producing automotive parts for the automotive industry, doing hot rod stuff, and that's awesome. I want to create automotive parts for the race industry and just kind of put my foot in the door and start creating parts for race cars and things like that. So it's super cool to see him doing the style of business that I want to do in the future. It's great because it lets you see someone and go, oh my gosh, it can be done. And he showed me around, and I was just so mind blown by everything that I completely even forgot to ask if I could record a little bit of it. And turns out it wouldn't have mattered because the mic didn't work, and hopefully it's working now. If you can hear me, that means it worked. So he invited me out. I met his girlfriend, who's super nice. She has her own square body. Carter has about 4 or 5 square bodies. They took me to breakfast, had an awesome time. Then we went to Shiftworks, and like I said, he walked me around. I asked a bunch of dumb questions. He gladly answered, and I enjoyed my time there. I enjoyed watching it. Make sure you go check them out, please. All the links should be in the description. Then, from there, we went to his personal shop, which is where things got interesting. That's where we tried to do the interview, and the mic didn't record anything, so hopefully he can come out this way and I can show him little place we got going on here and some of the stuff we're working on, and then we can catch up and actually do that interview and get it recorded. Along with that, we decided, you know, we should do some hot rod things, and we were kind of looking around. He said he had this idea for a little bit, and I'm like, what is that? And he goes, well, I just took this inline six out of this square body Chevy, and I have this big block that's supposed to go in my race truck, which is a square body Chevy, but this is also my winter beater, so I don't know what I really want to do with it. And he grabbed a penny. He said, heads, we put a big block in my winter beater. Tails, we find something else to do. Long story short, he flips it, it lands on heads, and we throw a big block in his square body. And that is what you guys are about to see. Sorry there's no interview or not a whole lot of conversation going on. I was just just into it. I didn't even think of picking up my phone to record anything, but here's what I did get. And there is a nice sounding cold start of his C7 at the end of the video. But thank you guys for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you go check out Shiftworks. And hope you guys enjoy the video. Not going to swing through. Yeah, that's about as far back as we can go.
These bolts off. You reach that side.
I say lower it down to, we're going to have to jack the front up a little bit.
Let's take the fan off.
Okay.
So I feel like we got just a hair to go back, room to work with, and we only got to go back a little bit to clear the front. Maybe.
And match your cylinder. So we can honestly just like have
You don't need more than that. Try it the other way. Let's scooch this.
We're clear over here.
That was clear.
Yeah, we're clear over here.
Let's see if we can go down a little till we're almost about to touch the pump.
Yep.
And then try to shimmy it back. So,
Alright.
that help?
Yep. We gotta go back now. Luckily we got some room.
Hang on.
Yep.
Just L brackets. Oh, it's so close.
I know, we're almost there.
Weird looking piece, man.
I'm pretty good at it.
Yeah, I say it's kind of untight on the wires.
I bet you that'll be okay. I'll watch
Yeah,
it though.
yeah, watch that L bracket on the wiring.
I think it's all it's gonna do is just slightly right. Yes.
Yeah?
Yep. I don't know. Might be on your
Oh.
side.
Yeah, I think we're clear.
I think we're clear too, because that's not gonna do anything. Yeah, we're clear.
And down just a hair.
Yep, keep going down. And shoot on this thing. I think we're clear up front. Clear.
Watch it out. Watch it out. Alright, the oil pan is touching this motor mount. So
So we gotta come over
we
there.
gotta come back a little bit. And then go down some. I think we have room to go down.
I definitely have much room to go down like that. We can go down even further.
Check this. Yep. Yep. I lined up on the motor mount for this side. So what we gotta do next is you gotta pivot and get that, like engaged.
Okay.
Just help me tweaks the motor.
Yep.
So go this way. Might have to simultaneously do. Push the whole engine back just a little bit. Like wheel the crane towards me. Maybe like a few inches. Yeah.
A little more.
Don't move actually.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back on Fairmont content hopefully Thursday. I'll have something out for you guys. It's time. It's time to get going on this thing. Spring's right around the corner. I have a small punch list of things I need to attack, get ready, and then enjoy it and make some good content with it, have a bunch of fun with it. So if you like Fairmont stuff, if you like what you just saw, if you just want to support me, like the video, share the video if you want, make sure you subscribe. If you're interested in Tuesday, Thursday uploads, hit the little notification icon so you know when I post. It's around 11:30 in the morning, Tuesday, Thursdays, and it's either car content, interviews, people in motorsports that I just enjoy talking to, look up to, or friends. I kind of have a small catalog of them. I think I got 3 or 4. But absolutely. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.